Teacher Anthony, happy birthday! Ano ba masasabi ko sa'yo? Ayan, may you have more birthdays to come and sana kasama kita dito magstay sa ETC and you'll always be the best teacher in ETC.
Alam mo, mula pa lang kitang nakilala, talagang nahanga ako sa ugali mo at sa pagtuturo mo. Alam mo, during your economics are doon sa akin, according to Somerville, alam mo, lagi ako nakikinig dahil natuturo ako habang nagtuturo ka. I love you. Happy, happy.
Congratulations to all your successes in life. May you have all many more successful experiences. And good luck to all your endeavors. Happy birthday, partner! Wish you all the best and success in life. Sana dito ka pa rin next year. And ako, ayun, happy birthday and we love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday, Teacher Anthony. Di ba para artista lang? And then, happy birthday, Teacher Anthony. Wish ko sa birthday mo, sana nakita ka pa namin next year. Parang yung wish ko lang last year. Parang eto rin yun na makita ka namin na next year. So, ayun na. Happy ako for you kasi alam ko masaya ka, masaya yung buhay mo. Ayun, wish you all the best. I love you. Happy birthday.
Work, tapos nakita ko na mahal ka ng mga estudyante mo. Ayun, lagi mong alagaan at saka yung pagpatuloy mo lang yung pag-iilig ng mabuting mo. God bless you.
Sana mag-stay ka pa rin dito sa AFC. Pero kung hindi ka na talaga mag-stay, sana keep in touch pa rin tayo. Alam mo, you're one of those teachers na talaga nakaklose ka dito sa AFC. And walang duda, mabait ka talaga. And please stay as good as you are. And wala sana kalimutan. So, yun lang, sure. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthday. Happy birthday! So, wish ko for your birthday, sana tumaba ka na dahil ang lakas-lakas mong kumain. Hindi naman tumataba. So, and thank you for everything. Sana hindi ka magbago. And sana hindi mo kami makalimutan kung saan ka man, kung ano yung plano mo after school.
Happy birthday sa'yo! Nagulat ako, hinila ako ng mga high school. Ang hiling ko lang, sana magtagal ang pagsasama natin. Magsasama? Magtagal yung pagkakaibigan natin. Tsaka, very thankful ako kasi simula na makilala kita, napaka-supportive mo sa akin hanggang sa mag-asawa na ako. Sana patuloy mo akong mahalin bilang kaibigan. At mahal na mahal kita. Yan ang tatandaan mo. Mahal na mahal kita, mahalaga ka sa buhay ko. Ikaw yung isa sa mga tunay na kaibigan na nagpakita sa akin na ikaw ay isang totoong tao. Okay? Tandaan mo, lagi lang din ako nandito. O, saan kita sa aking kasala, coordinator ka. I love you.
Teacher Anthony, happy birthday. Bali, 21 ka na, no? And 3 years na rin tayo magkasama. Thanks for the friendship and I hope that God will give you longer life saka good health. Salamat kasi napakalaki ng utang na loob ko sa'yo. Kung wala ka, hindi ako ma-assign sa Ordua Elementary School at hindi ko makikilala yung tao na nagbago ng buhay ko. So, it's all because of you. Thank you. You are an instrument of God to change my life. Again, happy birthday.
Teacher Anthony, happy birthday! Sana mag-gain ka na ng konting weight. Tapos, sana makita pa rin kita next year. I consider you as one of my children. Kapamilya ka na namin ng Lamor family.
Anthony, we love you from 3rd year Auditory. Please stay longer with us, sir. We love you so much. Happy birthday!
God bless.
God bless.
Birthday, Anthony.
Happy birthday. Alam mo, a teacher who is really destined to be in the profession is someone who has excellent teaching skills, coupled with strong values and dedication, commitment to love and serve children. And that's what I see in you. You are a person who is truly destined to be a teacher. And as I might say that you are a person destined to be a teacher in EDSI. I hope that you will stay with us for many, many more years. Just like what I always tell you. I hope that you will always persevere, excel, take care of yourself. Alam, medyo tumaba ka ng konti, alagaan mo sa sarili mo, and always excel in everything that you do. I am proud of you, and I'm so thankful that you are one of us. Yun nga ulit, more years of having you in it. Happy birthday, teacher. God bless.